Hi, if you're watching this video, you must be on the replacement battery pack page at libertytrike.com. We want to explain what you're buying and what you would choose from the drop down above for the battery box. Now, if you're buying a battery here and it's a secondary battery and it's a 36.8, it's a relatively new trike, you don't need to worry about this battery box. Here is why there's a drop down and the battery box and how you change that out. This is the 36 volt 8 amp hour battery that is here on this product page. Previously, we've sold a battery that was 36 volt 10 amp hour. Important because that was an inch or so longer. Now, if you were to buy this battery and not get the replacement battery box for your 36 volt 10 that's longer, and you put this battery into your setup, the battery is going to get lost inside by about an inch. It's shorter than the original battery box for the one you have. So the one you have might be this one, and it's about 10 inches. The smaller one for the 8 amp hour is 8.5 inches. That's how you can tell the difference. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be removing the bigger one that you have for your 3610, and you're going to be replacing that with the shorter box right here, which is for the 36.8, so that the battery fits properly. This is very easy to do. It's not very mechanical. You're going to use a 10mm socket wrench like this, and it would be the 4 outer here, okay? And there's bolts underneath and there's Phillips head on top. You can hold these with finger pressure and get that loose. They are serrated so they stay in place. Very easy to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, you can remove the box. Once you get the box removed, simple Phillips head screwdriver, 1, 2, 3, 4 of these for the plate. The plate that you're going to install is going to come with the battery you're buying, and it's going to be on here. You simply take the plate off, put it in with those 4 bolts here, and then replace it with the new shorter battery box that you're going to get. Okay, so only choose the battery box if you're coming from a 3610, that longer 10.5 inch outer battery box, and you're getting the replacement here, which is the current one, the Liberty Trike battery, the 36.8. That's when you order the battery box. If you're going from a 10 to the smaller size 8. Otherwise, if you're just buying an extra battery, you don't need that option. I hope that's clear. Any questions, you'll contact us. Thanks.